안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. My inspiration for today's K-pop nail art is Boy With Love by BTS featuring Halsey. For my index, middle, and ring nail, this is my main inspiration. So I already painted my nails with white and I already applied liquid latex cause we're doing some gradient next. Get a cosmetic sponge and apply these colors. Then dab it onto your nail. Repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the full opacity of colors. Then do the cleanup. After that, apply your favorite top coat. Then for my thumb and pinky nail, I'll be doing a different color set of gradient. After letting that dry, I'll be painting some skyscrapers or buildings on the tip of my index, middle, and ring nail. And I'm using white acrylic paint. After doing it to my index, middle, and ring nail, I painted them with dark blue, yellow, and red pink. But something's missing. I want to add some fine holographic top coat. I'm using a piece of cosmetic sponge and a fine holographic top coat, then I'll be dabbing it above the skyscrapers. I also added them to my thumb and pinky nail. And after letting them all to dry, apply top coat. And that's how I did my Boy With Love inspired nail art. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome chingus, and subscribe for more K-pop nail arts in the future. That's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. 안녕!